1 minute.
Go back to mount. Go back to mount. Get that foot free. Get that foot free. Go back to mount. Ready? Grab his arm.
Okay, that's David.
Get out.
Collar choke.
Keep your weight over. Keep your weight.
There you go. Wait. Drag the elbow. Drag the elbow.
Lock that guard.
Elbow.
Grip fight, Alex. Keep grip fighting.
Drag the elbow across his face. You know what to do. Don't just grab his
You're up
collar.
on point. You're up on point. 15 seconds.
Take your time, Alex. Take your time. Yes, take your time. Good. Let that takedown happen, Alex. Sprawl. Oh, nice. Get your guard, guard, guard. Come on, work your guard, Alex. Get aggressive with it. There we go. Pull him down.
Watch your elbow.
That grip. Open the gi. Get it deep. Get it deep. There we go. Get that grip deep. Deeper, deeper, deeper. Yeah, work it. Take your time. Take your time. Get it deep. Hey, don't grab the fingers. There we go.
On posture.
There we go. You got it. You got it. Get that grip. Get that other grip, Alex. Grab his knee. Grab the wrinkle. Grab the wrinkle. There we go. Ear to ear, Alex. Ear to ear. Get your guard up. Start walking your guard up high. Breathe. 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 Hold. Breathe. Keep those elbows in tight. Keep your elbows in tight. Keep them down. You got it? You don't got it. Adjust. Start to adjust. Re-grip, Alex. Re-grip. Re-grip. Get new grips, Alex. Do it again. Do it again. Keep that guard close. Keep that guard close. Sweep. Sweep. Grip. There. Press. Nice. Kick that other leg out. Good. Get on top. Get on top. Get on top. Oh, nice. Triangle. Get that other leg over. Get those legs back, Alex. Get those legs. Shrimp, 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 shrimp. Shrimp, shrimp, shrimp. Double leg, Alex. Go for your takedown. Double leg. Double leg, Alex. Takedown. Drive. Drive. Drive, Alex. Drive. Good. Good. Now worry about his grip. Yeah, fight those grips, Alex. You're good. Grab his hands, Alex. Open his hands.
All right, I need the white belt. Submission only, absolute division to ring 7. Michael Lubin, Matthew Donkis, John Creel, Gavin Carew, and Garrett Chappelle. Report to ring 7 right now. Micah Lubin, Matthew Donkis, John Creel, Gavin Carew, Aaron Chappelle. Report right now to ring 7.